Hey guys, it's Jerry Gonzalez here. Thank you for watching this video, in which I'm going to go over the iOS application Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, currently, it's a universal application in the App Store, which means it'll work on the iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. If you buy it for one device, on one device, you get it for the rest included in the price. I mean, it sounds pretty good so far, but where is the catch? So far, right now, is $6.99 in the App Store, so you're paying $7. Now, before you buy on impulse, just because you're a Minecraft user and you support the game, I would not recommend you to buy this game on impulse right now. I would not recommend you to go into the App Store and just say, hey, you know, it's Minecraft, I'm gonna buy it. I'd watch this video before you know what you're going to get yourself into. Okay, so I'm basically going to compare the Minecraft Pocket Edition to the Minecraft version of the game on the PC, which is quite unfair because the mobile devices aren't as powerful as a desktop computer or so. So keep that in mind that there are limitations because of the hardware on the mobile devices, but I don't feel like the Pocket Edition is giving you the Minecraft experience. And I'm going to go ahead and show you why. So let's go ahead and load it up here. Alright, it's official. Join game, we have scanning for Wi-Fi games. Okay, we have start game and options. And in options, we have the username, which is the default Stevie. Server visible by default on. Fancy graphics, sensitivity, will invert y-axis, and a lefty control mode, which basically changes the D-pad from here to over here. And we'll click done. And we'll go, it's version 0.1.2 alpha, so it's very early. It was just released today. Today is November 17th. So let's go ahead and start a game here, and we'll see where this takes us. We can create a new or just scroll over and create a new. And there you go, it crashes. It always does that every other time I try to make a world. So if I get into Minecraft and I actually go to start game and go back over here and create a new, it'll work. I don't know why it does that. For a $7 price tag, I feel it shouldn't crash at all. That's quite expensive. But just be aware of that. If it crashes, just open it back up. It should work. All right, world name. I'm just going to name this blah, 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 blah. Great. I like that name. And then I'm just going to create and not use a random seed. Or I'm just going to click create and not put in a seed. So it creates a random world. So there we go. It's building the terrain. Hello in the reflection. So yeah, it kind of looks like Minecraft already. Okay, and there we go. There's our world. I actually did not fast forward that part, just so you can get the sense of how long it takes to actually make the world, in case you were curious. Now, there are a few things that you should notice. First of all, we do not have a life bar. We do not have like an armor or a shield display here, okay? Which actually shouldn't show up anyway if you don't have shields on. But we don't have life. If you look into the sky, there's no sun, which means that it's always the same daytime. It's the same time of the day throughout the whole game. There is no nighttime. You'll notice you have 3 different blocks down here that you can choose from. Okay, so right now I have like these wooden planks or refined wood. We have the cobblestone, and then we also have sandstone. And to place blocks, as you would think, you just kind of press it and whatever. And to destroy blocks, you just tap and hold. And right there you'll see that like circle getting bigger, which means that's how long it's going to take for a block to destroy. Which, I mean, that's pretty cool. So far, it's not too bad. There are a few problems though. One, the directional pad. I mean, okay, why do we have up, down, left, and right? I would recommend them to change it to like a analog stick type of thing, because if I want to control it, I can't really. I don't know. I can't go like diagonal, and I feel like I'd have a better experience if I had better control over my character. All right. Also, jumping. The jump button is right in the middle, which doesn't make sense to me personally. I feel that it should be on the side over here or at the top or something. I mean, normally your guy just jumps automatically on blocks, so see how he jumps by himself. But I don't like that, because just to jump without a block there, I'm gonna have to make this weird motion that I decided to do. Before, I was all acting dumb and going like this and stuff, but no, basically all you have to do is go forward and kind of do this kind of motion. Forward, oops, let me jump. Okay, forward. See how I'm like putting my finger down like that? That's the kind of motion that I ended up doing. Now right here, this is a good example of why I want a directional pad, or not a directional pad, but an analog stick. If I don't want to have to go this side and then forward, I feel like a robot, you know, instead of actually just, you know, going diagonal a bit and then going forward. I don't know. Just the controls are really not fun for me. Okay. Minecraft, you guys could have done a lot better with this. Mojang, I mean, you guys could have done a lot better with this, in my opinion. Okay, so again, we have 3 blocks down here. We have these 3 blocks. Now, what if I want to add more to the bottom? What do I do? Well, you can't. Let's press this like 3 dots here. That's basically the menu. This is what you get. You cannot add more blocks. It'd be nice if I can click and hold and drag blocks down here. That just kind of makes sense, but you can't. Okay. You get 36 blocks, which sounds good at first until you realize, wait a minute, there's no crafting. That means that I can't make a pickaxe, I can't make a shovel, I can't do a lot of things to make you know, work more efficient as I go on in Minecraft. Basically, they're saying this is only a crafting game. It's only a building game. You can't craft, you can't really explore. Even though I don't know why the heck they give you torches. If I haven't personally seen a cave in all the worlds I've tried out, I have not seen a cave. I don't see a reason for torches if it's, you know, nighttime, unless you dig down into the world, which I don't know. It's very early again because it was just released today, but I don't know. There's just a few things I feel it's kind of like a duh, why didn't you add it in there kind of a thing. Another thing, you don't have mobs in the game. Can't really explore because you don't have you know, your pickaxe and stuff. And a pet peeve of this menu right here, first of all, I can't add more icons to the bottom. Second, I have cobblestone, refined wood, and a torch. Let's say I want to keep the cobblestone, I want to keep the wood, I want to change this torch out for a, I don't know, for a gold block. I clicked the gold block. Oh, but look, it just kind of goes down in a row. It doesn't switch out that block specifically. So, and also, I can't select a block here. I'd like to select that torch and then switch it out with, let's say, a flower, I guess. And I can't, okay? I can't click anything over here. The block I change is going to be the first one, which means it's going to go in like a row. So if I want my torch, gold, and a blue block out, what I have to do is go torch, gold, blue block to have them all there, okay? I can't just go, okay, I want a green block in the middle. I can't click that and go green because it's going to get rid of my torch. I don't know, just little things like that where I think are just kind of duh. Like, why didn't they add this? I don't know. Let's go to the menu up here. Right away we have the volume, so we can mute ourselves and stuff. Sorry about that. My case just keeps sliding out like that. We can mute the game. We can do a different perspective. Okay, you've probably seen this perspective in Minecraft. This is pretty fun to play like that, I guess. Let's see what else is in the menu. Just back to game, quits title, or server is visible. That's basically all we have. The game really isn't, it's not that in depth. Another thing I noticed is this is most likely due to, you know, hardware limitations, but the world has a limit and it's fairly small. Yeah. That right there is the wall. I'm not gonna walk out there, but I have run into the wall multiple times, you know, and just I'm not even walking far. It's very limited space. This world actually did an okay job, but let me see. I don't want to. Alright, so here we go. You can see the end of the world. That was really awkward for me to see this in Minecraft because, I don't know, it was just weird. Again, it's the pocket version. I understand that it's a pocket version, but still, I just didn't get a sense of Minecraft once I saw this. And especially because I couldn't craft. It's called Minecraft, so you're supposed to mine things, and you're supposed to craft things, but you can't do either of them in this Pocket Edition. It's basically, this Pocket Edition is for those people who like to build, if you like to build houses and stuff. But again, remember that you're limited in space because there's these walls, so you're not going to be able to build anything, you know, huge. I've seen some crazy things, but yeah. Also, building, I don't know how easy it would be to, you know, for building. If you want to build something really high and detail it and stuff, there's a lot of jumping and there's a lot of what would you call it, scaffolding to do and stuff, and it'd be very hard to navigate around this game. That's pretty much due to the touch interface, but at least give us a joystick kind of a thing. Joystick thing, and a jumping button over to the side. Since you're not using all this space for the blocks, might as well put it over here. Or what would even be better is if they gave us the option to drag this directional pad around, so we could put it wherever we wanted as the user, to use it, so I can go to options, whatever, and enable customize controls, and then I can drag around this, so now I can control it up here, and have it in the middle. This way I'm not awkward if I'm on the iPad, and it's not all awkward in weight, because the iPad is kind of heavy if you're going to be gaming on Minecraft. Minecraft is one of those games where you just get sucked in for a long time, and I would hate to have to hold my iPad from the bottom like that. I don't know. Just a lot of pet peeves, but again, I just thought I'd show you guys this game. This is the first edition of Minecraft Pocket Edition on the iOS devices. A lot of things missing. I don't get that Minecraft experience. I would not rate it very high at all. So before you buy on impulse, I thought you might want to check this video out. Alright, so thank you for tuning in, and thank you for listening to this long rantish video that you're watching. Bye.